In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank to Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're logged in to the correct organization before making any changes. This is important because bank connections are tied directly to the company file you're working in, so you want to be certain you're setting up the right account from the beginning. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look for the banking section in the main menu and click on it. This area is where you manage your connected bank accounts, imported transactions, and other banking-related activity. If you're linking a bank for the first time, this section will usually guide you clearly toward adding a new account. From here, you'll see the option to connect a bank account. Click Add Account to begin the setup process. This is the step where Zoho Books allows you to create a new banking connection, so your financial activity can be tracked more efficiently inside the platform. Next, select your bank from the list provided. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct bank, since many institutions may have similar names or multiple connection options. Choosing the right one helps ensure that the sync process works properly and that your transactions are pulled into the correct account. After selecting the bank, enter the necessary details requested on the screen. The exact information may vary depending on your bank and the type of account you're linking, but Zoho Books will typically prompt you for the required banking information needed to complete the connection. As you enter the details, double-check everything for accuracy. Even a small typo can cause issues with the connection or delay the setup. Once all the required information has been entered, click Save. This will confirm the setup and allow Zoho Books to store the account connection. After saving, give the system a moment to process. In many cases, the bank account will begin syncing transactions automatically, which can make reconciliation and bookkeeping much easier going forward. As a final tip, after the account is saved, it's a good idea to review the connected bank entry in the banking section to confirm everything looks correct. That way, you can catch any setup issues early and make sure your records stay organized from the start. And that's how to link a bank to Zoho Books.